In this video, I'm going to show you homemade version of Choco Pie.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Share with your friends and family, and if you would like to see our recipes in Hindi, do check out our channel, The Terrace Kitchen Hindi. Without any further delay, let's take a look at the recipe.
In a pan, heat half cup water and to that add half teaspoon instant coffee powder. Just give it a good mix, it will take a few seconds and then switch off the flame and let this mixture cool down. Now let's make white chocolate ganache. For that, heat some water, place another bowl or a cup and add chocolate. This is white chocolate 50 gram. And to that add 2 teaspoon milk. And slowly and gradually you'll notice everything melting and coming together. White chocolate normally takes more time compared to dark or milk chocolate, so be patient. So you can see this has melted and it's done. I'm going to take it out and let it come to room temperature or cool down. And after that, take Marie biscuits. Here I've taken 9 pieces of Marie biscuits. So in one set, in one Choco Pie, I'm going to use 3 biscuits. So take one Marie biscuit and apply the prepared white chocolate ganache. Spread it well and don't apply a lot, otherwise the Choco Pie will not hold its shape. So apply less. Again, another Marie biscuit, and on top of that I'm going to apply some more white chocolate ganache. And the final one. And this one set is ready. And just keep it aside. Similar to the first one, I'm going to make the other Choco Pie sets. You guys must be thinking what we are going to do with the coffee solution we have prepared. So here we go. So what I'm going to do now is brush some coffee on this Choco Pie. It's going to add a nice moist texture similar to what we get in the ready-made Choco Pie. So guys, this is not exactly going to be same as what we get in the market, the ready-made Choco Pie, but this is another quick and easy version of Choco Pie which we can make at home. So apply the coffee well, but make sure you don't overdo. Otherwise, it will be soggy. And then keep it in your refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the dark chocolate. So similar to white chocolate, we're going to make melt 100 gram dark chocolate. This melted dark chocolate is ready. Take it out and let it come to room temperature. It should not be very hot. It should not set, but it should not be hot. Otherwise, the white chocolate ganache which we have between the layers of Marie biscuits will melt. So here goes our first homemade Choco Pie. And here comes the second one. After coating all the Choco Pies with chocolate, we are going to refrigerate them in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, that's it. And you can see these are ready. I'll cut one open and show you the layers, the Marie dark chocolate and the white chocolate ganache. And do not forget, we have a nice flavor of coffee also inside. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.